with our friends and solo. You don't wanna miss this, watch the show now. Press the button for updates, fast do it now. Notify, subscribe and like. Miss Lily's World. Watch it, go on, watch it, Miss Lily's World. Watch it, go on, watch it.
Hey, it's your girl Miss Lee. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, or good night, depending on where you are. Guys, if you're new to my channel or you're returning and you haven't done so already, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Yes, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like this video, and the notifications so that you are aware every time your girl drops new content. So, do you like my new intro? Do you? Do you? Yes, my little sister was singing on the intro there, guys. Like, I am her biggest fan. I think she can really sing. Do you like it? Please give me a thumbs up for this video if you like my intro. Okay, guys, so we got mail. I'm saying it like it was sent to me for free, but no, your girl paid for it. So I bought this wig from Aliexpress, and I'm gonna open it and share it with you guys, okay? I bought it about 10 days ago, so it's actually come quite quickly. So I paid $158. I bought this wig from Kiss Love. Now guys, this was not recommended. And this is a thing that I do. I buy stuff, buy reviews, and just by looking and thinking, okay, let me give them a try. So this could be a hit or it could be a miss. This is not a promo for Kiss Love. This is what this is a choice I've made. So we'll see. Their delivery was really fast, so I'm definitely going to give them that. And they kept contacting me and giving me updates, so I'm gonna give them a well done for that alone. But let's see what the wig is like. So oh, I love when they give us a little extra wig cap. We got a wig cap, we got lashes. Like, guys, I do wear a lot of lashes, so although they're not like the best, you will see me put them on. Like, trust me on that. Now this wig is a 20-inch wig. It's straight, it's human hair. Ooh. And it's a HD lace 360. Because guys, especially when I go to the gym and stuff, I like to wear my hair up, like my natural hair. So I relaxed my hair last year summer, and yeah, I did it once, I didn't do it again. And so you know, when you do that, you know what happens, right? Your hair breaks. So my hair's not really in a good place at the moment, so I'm not really wearing my own hair to the gym. I'm wearing wigs, and I like to wear my hair up because I actually go to the gym to work out. Your girl sweats, okay? So I got a 360 wig. Now this is 250 density. I decided to go for this. Is a straight wig. The knots are supposed to already be bleached. We'll see. I'm still gonna have to put some makeup on it. So I'm gonna wash the hair, guys, but by running my hands through it, there seems to be no shedding. I mean, if this is 250 density, I probably could have done with a 300, but that's just because I like to have a lot of hair. I like full wigs. The hair itself feels okay. It's, as I said, it's not shredding. It does have a few split ends, but nothing crazy. Yeah, it's got a couple of split ends, but nothing crazy. I'm gonna wash it and then try it on for you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna bother bleached or not. Now that's because I'm being lazy. I'm gonna remove the combs. I hate the combs. They irritate my scalp, so I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna put elastic inside the wig and show you guys how I get on. Hey guys, this is another day. Sorry for the people in the background. They just need to just leave. Yeah, just leave. I washed the wig to let it air dry. I also, the knots were supposed to be bleached, but you know, I did it again anyway. And as usual, I always do this. I always end up bleaching the fine baby hairs right at the front but that's no thing for me because I can easily cover that back over with a natural color hair dye. So that's no thing. I'm still gonna have to put my foundation in there because it's just still not right. Now the hair, there was shredding when I washed it, but it was minimal shredding. However, my issue is, I was thinking this isn't really, let me put it on. So yeah, I'm still gonna have to put my foundation in the roots, as I said, but I will do that before I straighten it and stuff. Now, as I said, when I opened the packet, I bought a 20-inch wig. Let me come back a bit. I bought a 20-inch wig. The density was 250, and I was thinking this doesn't really feel like a 250 density, to be honest. So I measured it. Now, what we would say is the bundles, so the middle part, that's not the 360 closure, or whatever you want to call it. The 360 lace is 20 inches. But the actual 360 lace, sorry, I don't know if I made myself clear. So the hair that's not part of the 360 lace closure is 20 inches. So this is 20 inches. I've measured it. The actual 360 lace itself, now be careful ladies, because this is how we get bumped, yeah? I measured it. This bitch is 12 inches. 12 inches. So as you can see, it's a lot shorter than the actual body of the wig, yeah? So the hair that's in the middle. And the same for the back. The back is, remember, 360. This is no way 20 inches. This measures in at 12 inches, the same as hair. So that's why it doesn't feel so thick. But anyway, let me get it on properly and cut the lace, and guys, you will see me on the other side of this. I'm gonna put some makeup on myself, look cute. You will see me on the other side. So I've straightened it out. See if you can see it about this wig. You can see it from behind. As I was saying before, the hair is 20 inches, but the closure is 12 inches. I guess you could always add hair, but who really wants to buy a wig to then have to add hair? Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rock it how it is now. They say the lace is HD. I didn't really think so. So guys, this is the outcome. I do like the wig. I like the hair. It feels nice and soft. I don't know how long it's gonna last. 360 Aliexpress 20-inch wig. I paid $136 for the wig. I don't know how much that is in UK money, including shipping. In British pounds, it cost me £126, which I think is quite reasonable. You know, 20-inch supposedly HD lace. I think it's quite reasonable. Now the lace is lifted slightly here. I needed to actually spray it down more. I've only used Got to Be to spray. I haven't sprayed the back, so yeah, I've only just done the front. For me, I don't think the lace blends very well. I think the lace could blend better. I still have the golden hairs at the front, which I love, so I'm not actually gonna dye that. Yeah, I don't think the lace blends well. I think it could blend better. that's where I kind of would rate this wig less, just because I don't think the lace is well. But then maybe because I only used the Got To Be, which is why it, you know, it didn't melt that great. But yeah, and another thing is that the 360 is only a 12-inch, whilst the hair itself is a 20-inch. So it's not as full as what I would like it to be. I would like it to be a lot fuller. Other than that, I love the quality of the hair. So when I washed it, as I said, it did shred. When I put conditioner in it, combed it through, I did lose a little bit of hair. Nothing to write home about, nothing crazy, no crazy amount, but I'm combing it now. And as you can see, there's no hair that's come out, which is something that I like. So it makes me believe that hopefully I'll get, you know, a little bit of longevity, a few wears out of this wig, which is what I like. I don't like buying something and then knowing, doesn't matter how much you pay for it. You want to make sure that, you know, it serves its purpose. And for me, I feel that maybe I will use the HD glue. Maybe I will use the actual glue when I really need it to kind of stay down. Now as well, my hairline, guys, is not like a normal hairline, so I kind of have to always leave a little bit more lace behind because my hairline isn't normal, guys. So yeah, I've had to leave extra lace, because you might be like, why you got all that lace? It's because my hairline, that's where my hairline finishes. My hairline finishes here. My hairline doesn't go back so and then come back down. So I've had to leave more lace. I guess that's why some people have baby hairs as well. But no, if the lace is good lace, it will melt really well. This lace isn't great, which is the problem that I have with. However, I do believe it's not that bad. I can go out like this and feel comfortable. I don't feel no way. I don't feel that it looks bad. I just feel it could be melted better. And I just feel that I'd have to work on melting it better, guys. I haven't put nothing on the hair. I haven't put no products on the hair. So I washed it with regular Garnier shampoo and conditioner, and I just let it air dry, and that is it. And once it's dried, I just straightened it. As you saw, used a hot comb over my kind of side part. I guess I have to work on the side part more, because I don't like plucking as well, guys. I don't like plucking my wigs, because I find that once I pluck them, that's when like they shred more, and the partings and everything gets wider. I find that some people say the same thing, and some people say that doesn't happen to them, but I don't like plucking my wigs. I kind of think it damages it. So eventually the parting probably would be more defined as time goes on, but I am actually liking this look, and I'm liking my hair like this. So I think it's a bargain. £126 including shipping. I think it's a bargain. I was actually going to come on here and cuss off the vendor because I wasn't happy with the fact that this bit is long and this bit isn't, but I do kind of like it, and it saves me from having to chip into it and, you know, give it, you know, I would wear it like this, so it saves me from having to chip into it, and when I'm ready to have my fringe or wear it as a middle part, it saves me from having to do all of that. So I shouldn't really cuss too much. My only thing is it's a 360, and I do intend to wear it up, and if I wear it up, would the back hairs fall out? That would be my only. Me never pay for that, you know. It's cheap, it's affordable, and it doesn't look too bad. Let me know what you think of this video. I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. I'm not getting paid for this, so this is a true review. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know what you think of the hair. Does it look good? Let me know if you've got any tips for melting that doesn't include glue. I know I hear a lot of, I see a lot of videos that come up on YouTube. I need to actually watch them. Yeah, let me know if you have any tips that doesn't include glue. Until next time, guys, please remember to drop your comments below. Please remember to like this video, share this video, hit the notification, and most importantly, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay safe and take care, and you will see me soon. Bye.